Hello and welcome to our little video blog from Unity in the UK. We're fast approaching our World Day of Prayer, which is such a special day, a powerful day, when people of like mind and like heart come together to know and hold the truth for all people everywhere, that we are forever one with God, despite what is happening in the world. And with all that is happening, it's so easy to get into worry and doubt and to think some action must be taken, I must do something. But before we do anything, we stop and we pray. And so you are invited, warmly invited, to join us this year for our World Day of Prayer. It's the second Thursday of September, and this year that's the 9th of September. You can find all the details on our website. You can join us in prayer wherever you are, at home or at work, in the park. You can join us online through Zoom and experience the power of group prayer, particularly as on this day so many tens of thousands of people around the world gathering together through Unity churches and centres and Silent Unity headquarters. So many people coming together to know the truth for all of us. And this year our theme is, no matter the circumstance, all is well with my soul. No matter the circumstance, all is well with my soul. And when we find that truth, when we find that peace and harmony and balance within us, we can then step forward in the world, guided in the actions and thoughts and words that we share. So I do invite you personally to join us at Silent Unity in the UK, our headquarters here near Maidenhead, to come together in group prayer, in group consciousness, in that awareness of our oneness with the divine, with God within us and through us and around us, and to open to be the channels of God in expression, so needed and deserved in our world today. So I bless you. I thank you for joining us, for being part of Silent